Kurumirira riboti ati thibitari wa Naivasha level 4 ni urakuithia ciana cia tukenge makiria ma 20 oro mweri iria iraciarirwo thibitari-ini uyu. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru NIREGANITE na riboti ino. Akiaria na andiki ya mohoro thutha wa guthurima mirutire ya wira thibitari-ini uyu, Minista wa UGIMA wa MWERI kaunti-ini ino JACQUELINE OSORE ni ugite gatagati-ini ka mweri wa kanana wa gatano mwaka uyu thibitari uyu ni wandikithirie ciana 1452 iria iciarirwo kuo na ciana 24 nicio ciakuire hindi ya guciarwo na imwe ciacio igikua hindi iria ciakinyagio thibitari-ini uyu.
There's a report which went out that we lost 25 children in a month. First, I'll pose a question. That means we are losing a baby a day. That is not true. Fresh stillbirth, those I said are the ones who were born dead in the hospital, were 11. And the macerated stillbirths, which people came in and the baby was already dead, were 13. So that's a total of 24 for 3 months.
OSORE ni ugite thibitari uyu ni umwe wa mathibitari maria mari na motungata ma gikiro kia iguru, undu umwe na macini ciothe ni iraruta wira uria kwagiriire, agiteaniria ndeto iria cireyumiritie ciegie mamwe ma mathina maria magumeire thibitari uyu, ari ni hamwe na guthuka kwa macini cia bata, wagi wa aruti a wira aiganu, undu umwe na wagi wa indo cia kuhuthika kumana na mathire ma endia indo maria riu makinyaniirie ciringi milioni 300.
Had some changes done in the beginning of the year and recently actually in terms of recruitment. We are still on it. We've replaced a number and we still have some gaps which actually we are still working with the County Public Service Board to have the numbers on board.
We have quite a number of equipment, so some of them have been are not being used, not because we can't use them, but because we have other equipment that are running.
Oho ni ugite mari na mubango wa kuhuthira ciringi milioni 300 tabarira-ini ya kugura macini ingi iria irehuthikaga wadi-ini njeru iria ireketie gwakwo thibitari-ini uyu.
Excellency, the President visited us. We requested to be assisted to equip the 2 new departments, outpatient department, that's the PGH and Naivasha, and it's also underway. I
can assure you that we have the adequate supplies in terms of the basic requirements so after the mothers are delivered in our maternity unit.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Gathoni, Wanganga.